I'm going to show you the simple way to make a steak here. Butter. Olive oil. Beautiful. Salt.
Oh, I should look at it.
Pepper. Mash it in. Right on your pan. Season the other side. Salt there. Lots of pepper. Okay, you're on high. Set your timer. 2 minutes. In the meantime, get your rice going. Throw it in a pressure cooker.
That's in the dining room.
That's in the dining room. Because YouTube doesn't pay me enough to upgrade my house electric. So I can't run my pressure cooker and my air fryer on the same breaker because it pops a breaker. Then we'd have to go downstairs and I'd show you how to reset a breaker. Turn it on, put it on rice. Maybe, if it wants to work. So you gotta take the burnt cord, throw it in there. Why is it fucking not working?
Yeah. Here she goes.
Wait, am I supposed to go in the... Wait, I gotta see the video.
This is how to get some fucking views.
Good to go. There's your rice. But don't forget you got steak cooking. We got 35 seconds left. What are we going to do for 30 seconds?
Tell them to like, subscribe.
Wait, you guys making a video? Stop walking on your video.
Your mom had a hot drink?
Oh no.
This might have been a little
This will
too
be a
strong for
YouTube
her.
phenomenon.
Can't even speak. Alright, there's your 2 minutes. Take a toss on the side.
Just like Gordon Ramsay.
Let it sear on its side.
What? Look at you, Dick. Look at you. Excuse me, Dick. Because everyone stops and play music.
Set your kitchen timer again for another 2 minutes. Burn your hand.
Yum.
Let it go for 2 minutes. Let it run, let it rest. Then after we're going to show you the next step.
You okay?
We got the complete set of Wizard of Oz. It goes into the air fryer. It's in that mess of a corner. The hot drinks. Not what I drink.
Okay.
Not what I drink.
Simply just take it, throw it right in the air fryer. Leave that, let it sit, move it aside.
I'm going to go on Rolla. See you later.
Toss it in there. Steak. But because we're already cooked, we're going to drop the time a little bit to 6 minutes. In the meantime, don't forget you still got your rice cooking. So we're going to wait for that to finish up. Now you can just stop.
Okay. Recording, yeah.
Okay. Our steak is done. Pull it out of here. Obviously, you can see how beautiful it is. Here, we get some light in there. Strip it. Okay. Pop that bad boy on a plate. Let it sit. Let it rest. Turn your stove back on. Kinda high. By then, the rice is finished. Oh, in the meantime, you're letting your steak rest. Make sure to allow your steak time to rest. People do not understand that. They always want to rush it, and they wonder why their steak tastes like booty hole. Stacy does not like to eat booty hole steak.
Oh no. No, I don't.
So.
Ooh.
That's good and soft.
Not like last night.
Well, last night's was brown rice. I definitely undercooked it. Okay. Sit right there. I'm gonna grab the pan. See, we still have all that stuff from the steak.
That's good. Jeez, that's good.
Okay. Follow me. Back on the stove, whip it up. Don't be a bitch about it. Get in there.
That's really good, people.
You want to keep it moving because you want to kind of get out the moisture that's inside there. You really want to make sure that every single piece of rice
It's covered in steak juice.
is covered with steak
It's
juice.
so good. Air fryer steak, the best steak.
You think so?
Yes.
You think it's better than barbecue?
No, but inside
Really?
steak.
You don't think it's better than grill?
I'll compare in the summertime.
Oh, okay.
Inside steak, it's the best steak.
What do you mean inside steak?
It's better than on the stove or in the oven. And it only takes 6 minutes.
Keep this moving, don't stop. Yeah, look at that. Starting to get thicker, it's getting a little sticky. What are you breathing heavy for? You hungry?
I don't like waiting.
You going? Kind of cleans the pan too. Okay. Throw it on the plate.
Okay, that's good. Wow, that's a lot. Yeah.
Let's see what the inside of this baby right here looks like. You want to get a close up on this? You barely even have to cut this damn thing. It just falls apart. Look at that.
Why does it look gold?
Look at that. Because our lighting in our
Oh.
kitchen kind of sucks. Oh.
Stick it in the bedroom and show.
Stacy is amazed because she bought LED lights today.
No, I didn't, but they were in the cupboard.
Look, 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 look. It's cooked to perfection. There you go. Steak and rice. That's how I do it. I don't care. I'll go up against anybody. You want to compare steaks? It's Savannah. Look at the green plankton. Nobody wants to see my junk.
It's not.
Steak and rice, anybody wants to compare it, let me know. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that jazz. Am I missing anything? Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, all sorts of social media. TikTok, Snapchat, all that.
No.
Why not?
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Peace.
Peace.